Hello students, today we start our 12th chapter My Home. In previous chapter we learn about that why a houses are needed, okay? Means why we need a house. So we need a house to protect ourselves from different climatic conditions, for example rain, sunlight, cold weather, okay, from insects, animals. So house protect us from many activities, okay. So in this chapter now we talk about the different features of home, okay, and how to keep our home neat and clean, okay. And we also talk that how we can help our parents to clean our house, because if our house is clean then we all are healthy, okay. So we can also protect ourselves from different diseases. So cleaning of houses is a most important thing, okay. So before starting this chapter, now we have discussed about the portion of let's go. So you can read the question that which room is shown in this picture, name any 5 things which are present in the room. So by seeing the things that is present inside this room, we can say that it is a bedroom, okay. So there are many things present inside our room, but we can write only 5 things. For example, chair, table, books, bed, okay, bed, lamp, clock, AC, curtains, fan. So there are many things, but we have to write only 5 things, okay. Now a house is a place where we live. Many houses have different rooms for various uses. So students, we all know that if there is a no family in between the house, then it is not a house, it is only a building, okay. So when we live with our family members within a house, then it becomes a home, okay. So inside our home there are many different types of rooms, okay, and they also having a different types of uses. For example, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room, dining room, okay. So here we can use a kitchen for cooking, okay, a bedroom for sleeping, living room for playing, okay. And when all the family members are free, then we are doing some gossips inside the living room, okay. Dining room where we eat our food, okay. Bathroom where we can bath, okay. So these all are the different types of rooms that present inside our home. Now we talk about the features of a houses, okay. Features means a good quality of house, okay, means how we can make our house good, okay, and good, and it fulfill our all needs, okay. So firstly, a house can have many doors and windows. Some windows have wire screens. These screens stop mosquitoes and flies from entering the house. So our first feature is our house contains a lot of doors and windows, so that air can cross in between our house, okay. And second thing is we put a wire screens on the windows, okay, or on the doors, because wire screens helps to stop the entering of small insects, for example mosquitoes and flies entering into the house, because it protects us from mosquito. If a mosquito is bite, then it also causes a diseases, okay. And when flies are also coming inside our homes, so they also makes our food unhygiene, okay. Unhygiene means they are not fit for our body, okay. So next is window and ventilators allow air circulation inside a house. So windows and ventilators means crossing of air, because crossing of air is also a very important thing, because it makes our house fresh. Okay, it makes our house fresh and remove the bad smell of air from our house. Stale air means bad air or a bad smell air from the house. Windows and doors also allow sunlight. So through the windows and doors, when a sunlight is coming inside our house, okay, so it kills the germs present inside our house. Means sunlight also plays a very important role to kill the germs. Okay. Next is, we should always keep our house clean. Okay, living in a dirty house can make us ill. So when we live in a dirty house, then it produces a large amount of different types of diseases. Okay, so it can make our body unhealthy and we can fall ill. Okay. Next is how we clean our home. मीन्स हम जो अपना घर है उसको कैसे साफ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी कैन कीप आवर होम क्लीन इन मैनी वेज. फर्स्ट इज द फ्लोर शुड बी वेट डस्टेड एंड क्लीन्ड विद द मॉप एवरी डे. मीन्स हमें जो अपनी फर्श है, ठीक है, जो फ्लोर होता है उसको रोज़ उसकी डस्टिंग करनी चाहिए. ठीक है, और हम फ्लोर की डस्टिंग किससे करते हैं? झाड़ू के साथ. ठीक है, तो so that means the floors should be well dusted and cleaned with the mop every day. Okay. Second is, we should keep the toilets clean. That's a very important thing, that we should keep our toilets clean, because if our toilets is unclean, then it also produces a very bad germs inside our houses, and it makes ourselves unfit for our daily life. Okay. Third is, the floor of the bathroom and kitchen should be kept clean and dry. So the floor of a bathroom and kitchen should be kept clean and dry. Clean means साफ होना चाहिए और सूखा होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Next is, we should throw garbage daily from our home into a dustbin placed outside. Means we should have to throw the garbage. Garbage means waste material, for example kitchen waste also. Okay, other rooms waste also. So we can throw a garbage daily from our home into a dustbin that is placed outside our house. Okay, because when we can't throw the garbage outside our houses, it also produces a germs. Okay, and it also produces a bad smell, so that can also affect our body. Last is, we should not allow water to collect anywhere inside or around the house. Means ये हमारे घर में और घर के आसपास हमें जो गंदा पानी है उसको क्या है, खड़े नहीं होने देना चाहिए. Stagnant water breeds mosquitoes and flies. Stagnant water means जो पानी ख़राब होता है, जो बहुत टाइम से आपके घर के साइड में, जैसे जब बारिश होती है, ठीक है, बारिश होती है तो कई जगह पर पानी खड़ा हो जाता है. ठीक है, so that is not good for us, because many insects or many mosquitoes breed on water or inside the water. Okay, so mosquitoes spreads diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Okay, and the flies sits on the garbage and they also spreaded unhygiene diseases. Okay. A special room, did you know, a special room in a house used only for reading and writing is known as a study room. Okay, means where we can study, where we can put our put our books, bags, okay, means all the material that is related with our study, reading and writing, that room is known as a study room, okay. Now let's recall. In this chapter we talk about the different rooms for various uses, okay. We can also talk about the different features of a good house. So the first feature is windows allow fresh air inside house, and the ventilation helps to remove bad air or bad smell air from rooms, okay. Third one is a home should be kept clean. Living in a dirty house can make us ill, okay. So students, this is all about our chapter. Now I hope after watching the video you are able to solve the MCQ questions. MCQ means portion A, circle the correct option, okay. When in the Zoom session, after that we can discuss all the questions, okay, and you have to match your answers that how many % you have understand this chapter, okay. I hope you will understand this chapter very well. Thank you and have a nice day.